Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a bloody sack of spiders decoration for Halloween. So without further ado, let's begin. For this DIY you're going to need spider webs, fake ones of course, plastic spiders, and fake blood spray. If you got your spider web from the dollar store, use 1/6 of the spider web to make this project. For the first step, you're going to want to get your spider web. You're going to want to get the edges and push them towards the middle. That way you form a ball. You're going to want to keep doing that until it has more of a sphere-like shape. And then you're just going to want to get some spider web from the edges and just wrap it around. Next, you're going to pick a point anywhere on the spiderweb ball that you have formed, and you're going to elongate it carefully. You're going to elongate it until it is roughly 2 to 3 feet long. Once you have formed the spider sack, you're now going to spray a little bit of fake blood on it. The last step is to just place the plastic spiders in anywhere you'd like. Once you are done, it is ready to be placed anywhere around your home as a decoration. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to make a bloody sack of spiders. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.